Hello all, welcome to Leetcode bi-weekly contest 176. We are solving problem House Robber 5. Another beautiful variation of House Robber. So in this problem, what we are given is that we are given two integer array nums and colors, and both of them are of length n. Nums of I is the amount of money and color I is the color code of that house. What we have that we cannot drop two adjacent houses if they share the same color. So if the colors are not same, we can rob it. Otherwise, adjacent one cannot be robbed, and we have to return the maximum amount of money you can rob. Here if you see, that would make more sense that I have 10, 3 and 9. So 10 and 3 they are of color coded one. So we cannot take the adjacent. But since 3 and 9 we can take because they are of color coordinates, that is 1 and 2. So that is why the answer is 22, 10 plus 3 plus 9. So what we'll do is first I'll quickly check the edge cases that if my nums of size is 1, simply I'll return nums of 0. Otherwise, I'll create a DP. Now, DP of 0 would be nums of 0. The very first element, return it. Otherwise, DP of 1. What can be DP of 1? If the color coded are different, that is colors of I not equal to color of 0, simply DP of 1 would be take the DP of 0 as sum. That is nums of 1 plus nums of 0. Otherwise, DP of 1 would be maximum of DP of 1 or DP of 0. If they are same, take the maximum one. Simple. Now I'll start the iteration from index 2 to nums.size. What I'll see, simply I'll check the same. If colors of I is equal to nums of I minus 1, in that case I have to take the maximum of the previous, not take the current. That is, if I take the dp of I minus 1, that is the previous one of the same color code, or I take the current element of the previous to previous one, because I have to avoid the adjacent one. So simple, as we used to do for the normal house robbers. Otherwise, if they are not equal, simply add it. dp of I is equal to nums of I plus dp of I minus 1. Simply take that as we saw in the example 3. And at last, we'll simply return dp of nums.size minus 1. So simple, a little bit of thinking, a little bit of tweak to normal house robber problems. And yeah, that is what your answer is. So if you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.